Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup ServiceNow knowledge articles using content export. To backup ServiceNow knowledge articles using content export, follow these steps. Log in to your ServiceNow instance. In the Application Navigator, type Knowledge. Select Knowledge under the Knowledge Management application. Locate the knowledge article you want to backup. Click on the article to open it. In the upper right corner, click on the three-dot menu icon. Select Export. Choose the export format you prefer, such as PDF or Word. Confirm your selection and wait for the file to generate. Once the export is complete, a download link will appear. Click the download link to save the file to your device. Repeat the process for any additional articles you want to backup. For bulk backups, utilize the export feature under the Knowledge Articles list. Check the filters to ensure you include all necessary records. Click on the Export button at the bottom of the list. Select your desired format for bulk export. Monitor the progress and download the completed file. Store the exported files in a secure location for future reference. Review the downloaded articles to ensure all content is intact. By following these steps, you can effortlessly backup your ServiceNow knowledge articles using content export. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.